good afternoon and welcome to Greensboro, North Carolina, home of Carolina Aircraft. I'm Scott Stanley and today we're excited to show you this prime condition 1987 Beech F33A, November 3168 Papa. Let's take a look. This aircraft has 2,625 total hours, 1,260 hours on the Continental IO520BB 285 horsepower engine. It also has GAMI fuel injectors and a JPI 930 color graphic engine monitor. The 3-blade Macaulay prop has 735 hours since overhaul. You can fill the tanks to the bottom of the tabs and still have 2 hours plus IFR reserves and gain an additional 120 pounds of useful load. The paint on November 3168 Papa is Matterhorn white overall with blue and red striping. It is in beautiful condition. The large baggage door makes it easy to load luggage and take advantage of the 1,072 pounds of useful load. November 3168 Papa's interior is very roomy. I'm 6'2" and have plenty of room in the back. The interior is in good condition. Sidewalls, the headliner are all in excellent condition. You do have a 4-place intercom and shoulder harnesses at every seating position. The panel on November 3168 Papa has a PS Engineering PMA 7000 audio panel, Garmin GNS 530 WAAS NavCom GPS, King KX155 second nav and comm system, Garmin FS210 wireless integration, a Garmin GTX 345 with ADS-B in and out transponder, which also gives you subscription-free ADS-B traffic and ADS-B weather. The King KFC 150 Autopilot has flight director and yaw damp. Other features you'll enjoy are Rosen sun visors, an AMSAFE airbag system for the pilot and co-pilot, dual push-to-talk buttons, approach flap system, panel-mounted USB ports, LED landing lights, Bruce's custom cover, leather-wrapped pilot yoke, and factory internal corrosion protection. If you're in the market for a prime condition Beech Bonanza F33A, then give us a call or visit us in Greensboro, North Carolina. Take a look at 3168 Papa. With a factory man low time engine, low total time, and as always, Bonanza School is included with the purchase price because we want you to feel safe and comfortable in your new Beechcraft. Thank you and have a good day.